Sometimes, in the search for freedom, a person makes choices that lead to regret and loneliness. This is the story of a young man who left the love of his father's home to chase the bright lights of the world. In a quiet village lived a kind and loving father. He had two sons. The younger son often dreamed of a different life. He wanted adventure, independence, and the chance to live on his own terms. One day he gathered the courage and said to his father, "Father, give me my share of the inheritance. I want to go and build my own life." The father's heart was heavy, but true love does not force anyone to stay. So he quietly gave his son the share that belonged to him. A few days later, the young man packed his belongings and left for a distant city. At first, life seemed exciting. New friends, new places, and the feeling of complete freedom. He had money, so there were parties, laughter, and people all around him. But time has a way of changing everything. Slowly, the money began to disappear. And when the money was gone, the friends disappeared too. The same city that once felt like a dream now felt like a prison. With no work and no support, the young man found a job on a farm, cleaning a goat pen. Hunger and exhaustion became part of his daily life. One day, while looking at the food given to the goat, he thought to himself, "Even the servants in my father's house live better than I do." At that moment, something changed in his heart. "I will go back," he said to himself. "I will ask my father for forgiveness." The journey home was long, and his heart was filled with shame. He believed his father might reject him. But as he walked closer to the village, something unexpected happened. His father had already seen him from a distance, and instead of turning away, the father ran toward him. He embraced his son with open arms. The young man began to cry. "Father, I have sinned. I am no longer worthy to be called your son." But the father interrupted him. He called to the servants and said, "Quickly, bring the finest clothes for him. Prepare a celebration, because my son was lost, and now he has come home." This story reminds us that true love never closes its doors, and sincere repentance can always open the path to a new beginning. Sometimes, the greatest journey in life is simply finding the way back home.